I did you the favor of going to Pop Shelf for you in search of budget-friendly gear for content creators, and I found some stuff. As a heads up, I also went to Five Below and found much better choices for budget gear, and I have a video coming soon on what I found. But hey, I know some of you only have the option of going to Pop Shelf, so here you are. If you aren't familiar with Pop Shelf, it's sort of smaller than a Walmart, but bigger than a corner store CVS or something. Imagine like a nicer, bigger Dollar General without all the carts and boxes blocking the aisles.
Look at this, look at this.
Here is what I found in their tech department for content creators, and most of it was around $5. Also, one more thing, before we start, I want to apologize for this weird creepy lady that kept following me around the store while I was trying to shoot this video for you all. She kept getting in all my shots and wanted me to hold her hand and kept asking me what I wanted to eat for dinner. Anyways, I'll start by showing you my most interesting find, which was a faucet light. Obviously this won't be helpful to most of you, but if you have a very unique set or shoot videos in the kitchen, maybe you can find a use for it, maybe. Here is a color changing LED light bulb, which comes in handy for setting a mood or conveying an emotion in your videos. They also had these cool vintage light bulbs and these party light bulbs that were only like $5. Then there were these ring lights that are great for you beauty bloggers and fashion content creators. They came in regular white and in color. If you take a lot of selfies, it may be a good idea to upgrade the light on your phone for those front-facing selfies with this $5 selfie light, or maybe even this selfie shutter clicker that attaches to the back of your phone. And of course, one of the first items you need to buy in your content creation journey, a tripod. And it comes with a wireless remote that will activate your shutter. Not bad for $5. For $5 more, you get this flexible tripod and ring light. Not a bad deal. Remember folks, you don't need fancy equipment to get started. You need your phone, a tripod, and a microphone. That's it. Oh, and learn how to edit. But there are even a lot of free editing programs out there right now, like CapCut. And since you will be shooting a lot on your phone, grab a phone charger while you're there. Here's the tripod I would buy because I'm not a big fan of flexible legs. This one has solid legs and can be used as a holder of sorts for vlogging while you're out on the go. And for you gamers out there, here are some LED light strips for $5. And for $10, you can grab some LED gaming headphones or some LED speakers. They also had a nice little assortment of headphones, some for gamers, some for working out. They even had this cool little retro speaker. If you ever need to shoot anything underwater, there's a waterproof case that would allow you to submerge your camera under the water. And here's an HDMI cable for $5. Amazon can't even beat that, and you don't have to wait on the shipping. Next is an item we should all have, a mug warmer. I found lots of these cool little motivational desk plaques. This one says work hard and be kind, and this one had glitter inside and it reads out to lunch. And that's about it. There wasn't that much, but still worth stopping by for some of those smaller items like the HDMI cables, those tripods, and those light bulbs. If you found anything in this video helpful or want more free help in the future on your content creating journey, consider subscribing. Until next time, happy creating.